the world increasingly moves online, a number of opportunities for making money have followed suit. Online tutoring is one such opportunity that has gained popularity in recent years. It is a great way to earn extra income while helping others improve their academic performance. There are many reasons why you should watch our video before starting to make money online tutoring. First and foremost, it will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the online tutoring landscape. You will learn about the different platforms that offer online tutoring services, as well as the pros and cons of each. This will allow you to make an informed decision about which platform is right for you. Secondly, the video will introduce you to the basics of online tutoring, including how to set up your profile, how to find students, and how to deliver effective lessons. You will also learn about the different pricing models that are available, so that you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Finally, watching our video will give you the confidence you need to start making money online tutoring. You will see that it is possible to earn a good income through online tutoring, and you will have the knowledge and skills necessary to get started. So if you are interested in making money online tutoring, be sure to watch full video before you get started. It will provide you with the information you need to be successful. Online tutoring is an excellent chance for students as well as tutors because they can set their own schedules and work according to their own pace. At the same time, the student and the tutor don't have to meet, so they can manage all their work remotely. So, what are the requirements for online tutoring? Many companies will give preference to tutors who already have teaching experience or a bachelor's degree in the subject they want to tutor. Having these advanced qualifications makes more jobs available to you but isn't necessary. Many online tutors don't need to have certifications or years of experience. While you're gaining experience and expertise, you can apply to companies with less stringent requirements and change companies for higher pay as time goes on. On average, online tutors earn between $11 to $20 an hour for common subjects. Your earnings as an online tutor depend on your education level, specialty, experience teaching, and the company you're working for. In general, the pay for elementary subjects will be less than college or specialty topics. Find a niche. When it comes to finding a niche to tutor online, the sky is the limit. However, it is important to find a subject that you are passionate about or have a lot of knowledge in. This way, you will be able to provide your students with the best possible experience. There are a lot of different subjects that you can tutor online, so finding the right one for you may take some time. However, it will be worth it in the end when you are able to help your students succeed. As a tutor, one of the best ways to market your services is to create a profile on a tutoring platform or website. This allows potential students and their parents to learn more about you and your qualifications. When creating your profile, be sure to include your rates and contact information. Tutoring platforms and websites are a great way to reach out to potential students and their families. By creating a profile, you can connect with more students and help them succeed in their studies. Video conferencing is a great option for online tutoring. You can use Skype, Google Hangouts, or another video conferencing tool. This allows you to see and hear your students, which can be helpful for teaching. You can also use chat tools like Google Chat or AIM to tutor students. This is a great option if you're comfortable typing. Once you've decided how you'll deliver your tutoring services, it's time to start tutoring. Be prepared for questions from your students and be patient as they learn. With a little time and effort, you can be a great online tutor. Once you've built up a good reputation, you can start charging higher rates for your services. You can also offer additional services, such as help with homework or test preparation. Things to know before teaching online. 1. Have proper knowledge about the concerned subject. This is the most important thing to know before teaching online. You should have in-depth knowledge about the subject you want to teach. This will help you in delivering lectures effectively and answering students' queries confidently. 2. Be prepared for tests. Just because it is online teaching, it does not mean that there won't be any tests to test the knowledge. Companies also want to hire people who have the necessary skills. Therefore, they might test you before employing you as an online teacher. 3. Discuss compensation before employment. It is necessary for you to talk about your compensation before your employment. You should read the terms and conditions present in the document very carefully before signing. Following these things and looking at them very carefully will ease the process. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.